Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you a video here on square foot gardening. Now, you can, this is like a cheap way you can do it with just bamboo sticks. You measure them out and you tie them, and you get yourself square foot gardening. Let's see, look at all the flowers here. This will attract, not only is it pretty, but it'll attract all the beneficial insects and pollinators. And we have another one right here, different colors, but just as beautiful. Here's another one here. Now, just wanted to mention, this is also a grid for square foot gardening, but these I make, and these can be taken apart, stored away in the winter. You can leave them out because they last a very long time. And if you're interested, you can check out my shop and I have them there. But you have, the less expensive alternative. You can always do it with that or any other kind of material as well. And square foot gardening is a great way to garden, especially if you have, it's good if you have a lot of space or a small amount of space. Either way is fine. It'll still be very productive, and it's a good way to organize your gardening. But especially if you have limited amount of space, then it'll allow you to get the most amount of vegetables that you can grow per square foot, because it tells you exactly how many you can plant in a square foot. And so you'll be getting basically 100% production out of your raised bed by using this method. And I highly encourage you to use it. And with the grid, it just makes it a lot easier to be able to plant the recommended amounts. It makes it a lot easier if you use the grid versus if you don't and you try to guess. The grid just makes it simple and it's clear and you can see it. So anyway, just wanted to show you here how it looks and encourage you to use the square foot gardening method, which is great. All right, God bless everybody. Thanks for watching.
Just let me go.